The remaining jumpers fly the precise zone and points and deploy their parachutes. And there you have the high-flying black and gold of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights.
And I grabbed this cheeseburger and took away.
Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with the unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. Understand vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target area. This is accomplished by pulling down on the front part of the parachute and accelerating towards the ground at over 60 miles per hour. This allows them to set up a traffic pattern just like you might see aircraft at a busy airport.